are you making? Whoa. That looks like some crazy stuff there, Ty. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Chase, don't do it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Taylor, drink it. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen? Taylor, he shrunk. Look at Chase. What happened to him? Taylor, he shrunk. What are we gonna do? Can you fix him? See if that helps. Ready? See. Is that gonna fix him? Ew. Chase?
Yeah.
Nope. Still tiny. Okay, we gotta try something else. See if this will fix him. I don't think it's working, Tay. Well, we're gonna have to try something else. What do you think? What should we try next? Nope, that one did not work. What do you think we should try? You did it. All right, try to put some on Chase. See if that helps. Ready? Let's see if this works, Tay. What do you think? All right, squirt it on Chase. No, that didn't work either. Oh, what's next? Gotta say the magic spell. Is it working? Awesome! Yay, good job! You saved him! Say thanks for watching. Please subscribe.